Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and I hope you all had a great Holi. And today is our day 8 of learning the AI basics, and today we are going to discuss about a really important topic which is more important than code, and it is known as ethics and fairness. So to understand this topic and to understand why is it important, we have to move to the computer screen. So let's just move to the computer screen. So we will discuss about three things in this video, where we will discuss what are the AI ethics and fairness, and why does the bias happen, and how do we fix it. So there are basically three pillars on which we fix the AI model's bias that it does. So let us just understand the basic definition of AI ethics and fairness. So what is an AI ethic? AI ethic. So AI ethic refers to the principles and the moral guidelines that ensure artificial intelligence systems are developed and used responsibly, safely, and for the benefit of society. So in simple words, if we talk about what is an AI ethic is, so AI ethics is about making sure that AI does the right thing and does not harm people. So that this is what we have to make ensure of our AI model to work on, that it does not harm people, and whatever task the AI is doing in the right way. So this is known as AI ethic. Now we will talk about what is AI fairness. So AI fairness means that AI systems should make decisions without discrimination and unfair treatment towards any individual or a group of people. So in simple words, if we talk about what is fair AI, so fair AI treats everyone equally regardless of their gender, race, age, background, or income level. So this is what we have to make sure, that the model that we are creating is fair enough with everyone of every caste, religion, gender, or background, or income, anything. So it has to be fair with everyone. It should not be biased. So this is what known as AI fairness. Now moving on to, I will explain it with an example basically, that what is this and how this basically bias happen. So suppose I have created a model. This is my model, and I have trained this model for interviewing people. It is an AI interviewer, where I have trained this to interviewer, which takes interview for the employees. So of the candidates basically. So I have given this model some data to get trained. Suppose this is the data, this is the training that I have given. So I have given this training data to the model. But the thing is that the data that I have provided to the model was only for the male candidates. So what problem here it will occur? The problem which will occur is if in real time a female candidates occur for a candidate for the interview, the model will basically not select the person, because it has only been trained on the male candidates. So it might assume that only male candidates are eligible for the interview. So this is what it will make the bias. It will make the model biased, where it will only consider the male candidates instead of the female candidates. So this is how we have to make sure that a model is not getting biased, because we provide some incomplete data to the model. So this is what we have to make sure of it. Now moving on to the third point is what are basically how do we fix it, and what are the three pillars to fix the AI model biasness. So first let us talk about the first pillar. First pillar is basically fair data, which is I have already given you the example above, where I have given in training data I have given the unfair data. It only works for the male candidate. So in the pillar one, we have to think about that we are giving the model a fair data, where suppose there is an example that is given, like if building a medical AI. So we have to make sure that the data that we are providing, it includes all the genders, it includes all the age groups, it has a different ethnic background. So our data should be precise, data should be complete, so that the model does not provide any biasness in the predictions. So this is what we have to take care of the thing. First thing was fair data. So basically what is the key message over here? That if the data is fair, the model has a better chance of being fair. So the first thing is this only, that you have to give a fair data, you have to give the complete data to the model. Now moving on to the second pillar. Second pillar is basically about fair algorithms and evaluations. Now what is fair algorithm and evaluation? So think of an example, like if I'm asking, instead of just asking the model was the overall accuracy, is overall accuracy good enough, we should ask in a way so that model could provide that, okay, was the accuracy good for every group of the people. So this is what make evaluation and the algorithm fair for every person. And the key message over here is that the fairness must be measured, not be assumed. It always has to be measured. We should not assume it by our own. we should have like a proper reason for everything that our model is doing. So this is what known as algorithm and evaluation, that a model should be able to answer everything with a proper reason, that okay, I have done this thing because it should always have a reason. Okay, I have done this thing, so why you have done this thing? It has done because of this reason. Okay, now moving on to the third pillar. Third pillar is basically moving on to the third pillar. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, moving on to the third pillar. Third pillar is basically transparency and accountability. Now, what is transparency? So, if the loan is rejected, suppose there's an example, I've written an example. If the loan is rejected, loan was rejected, and the system should explain why. So, the system should be able to explain that why was the loan rejected. The AI model should not just basically tell that okay, the loan is rejected, we are not giving you a loan. This is not done. It should give a proper reason that why was the loan rejected, what were the key factors that the loan application should have so that it could get passed. So this is what we talk about transparency, where our model should be transparent enough and accountable enough to able to answer every question that it is basically providing. If the model is getting cross-questioned in the next run, so the model should be able to reply and give a reasonable answer to everything. So the key message over here is that AI should be responsible and explainable to the system that we build. So this is what are the three pillars that we make sure, and we have to make sure to make our AI model to work on the ethics and fairness. So that's it for this video. I hope you understood the basic definition of what is AI ethics and fairness and why it is important, and how basically a system gets biased and how do we basically fix that. So there are basically three pillars and we have discussed all those pillars. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit a like and also comment down below if you have any questions. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.